Good morning children, welcome back to our maths class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So children, see today page number 128 of your textbook. What is the topic? The children and their grandfather. Okay, grandfather is here and children are there, right? So grandfather is going to teach something to these children. Okay, now let's see what grandfather said. I have rupees 17 in my pocket. Grandfather has rupees 70 in his pocket. Tell me how to share money equally. Share. What is there? Share is there, equally is there among all of you. If you are right, you get this money. What grandfather said? If you are right, you will get the money. Okay. मुझे ये बताओ कि ये 70 रुपीज़ में ये पांचों बच्चों में कैसे इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करूँगा. If the answer is right, if your answer is right, if you are correct, then you will get 70 rupees as a gift. So, which students are there? Which 5 students are there? Rashi, Seema, Mridul, Rohit and Lokesh. So, first of all, Seema said, what Seema said? Seema said what she will do? 70 divided by 5. I will do 70 divided by 5. Why 70? Because total number of money means total money 70 rupees and total number of children are 5 and we have to distribute in the 5 groups. So she said I will do 70 divided by 5. Let's see next. Okay. So she has done here 5 tens are 15. So 10 first I give rupees 10 to each. What she said? To the 5 children I will give rupees 10, 10, 10, 10 and 10 to each. एक को मैं 10 रुपए दूंगी. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 rupees. But we have 70 rupees. So after distributing 50 rupees, how many left? 20 rupees left. So I have distributed 5 multiplied by 10, that is rupees 15 as I said you. Now what left? रुपीज़ 20 आर स्टिल लेफ्ट मी. फिर भी मेरे पास में कितने पैसे बच गए? रुपीज़ 20. दिस इज द आइडिया ऑफ सीमा. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट राही सेड. राही सेड आई गिव 4 rupees more to each. That is 5 4s are 20. After completing this process, she is talking about that यहाँ तक तो मैं करूँगी, but whenever 20 rupees left with me, what I will do? The 5 children are there and to the 5 children I will give 4 rupees. 4 rupees to him, 4, 4, 4 and 4. So 5 4s are 20. So what she said? 10 rupees I will give and with the 10 rupees extra 4 rupees I give to each child. So here plus 4 that is 20 rupees. What she says? Distributed 20 rupees. How much left? क्या बच गया उसके पास में? Nothing left to her. So each child will get 10 plus 4 that is 14 rupees. Seema said that I will give 10 rupees to each, but she with her still 20 rupees left. Then Rahi said with that 20 rupees what I will do? I will give 4 rupees to the 5 children. So that 20 rupees also get distributed. Okay, and now she will get, each child will get rupees 40. This is Seema's idea. This is Rahi's idea. Now, page number 129. Another method. We have seen the method of the Sia and we have seen the method of Rashi. Now, this is the method. Another method. What Mridul and Lokesh are trying 70 divided by 5 in different way. Right? What Lokesh said? First I give rupees 5 to each. मैं पहले क्या करूँगा? All 5 children are given, so I will give 5 rupees to each. So 5 5s are 25. That is 5 5s are rupees 25. Then here, so how many rupees left with me? How much left? 45 rupees left. Next I give 6 rupees more to each child. After that, what left? 45 left. So I will give now 6 rupees. First he has given 5 rupees. Now he will give 6 rupees to each child. So 5 6 are 30. So here I have done. First of all he has given 5 rupees. So 25. How much left? 45. So 5 6 are 30. Still 15 rupees left with him. What he said? Now I am left with rupees 15. First of all he will give 5 rupees to each child. 5 rupees to each child. Then he will give 6 rupees to each child. 70 rupees total is there. Then also 15 rupees left with him. Now what? Another question is given there. On the same page, another question is given here, page 139. Okay, what is written here? How will Lokesh distributed the rest of the money completely? Right? कैसे वो distribute करेगा? So each child will get 5 plus 6 plus what? So total rupees. That one we have to find out. So rupees 15 left with now. अभी उसके पास में कितने rupees बचे? 15 rupees. We have to distribute the remaining 50 rupees among the 5 children. There are 5 children. So to divide 15 among 5 children, what will we do? 5 divided by 15. So 3. So what you have to do? Afterwards you have to give 3 rupees. First of all, Lokesh has given 5 rupees. After that he has given 6 rupees. And after that 15 rupees still left. So he has given 3 rupees to each child. Now to one child will get rupees 14. Okay, so this is the method of the Lokesh. Right? It is little bit difficult method. But he thought that मैं इस तरह से बच्चों को पैसे distribute करूँगा. We have seen about the Seema, we have seen about the Rashi, and this is for the Lokesh. Now on the same page it is given your method. We have to do by your method. What is the question given there in the textbook? Now use your own method to distribute rupees 70 equally among 5 people. If you want, you can start by giving rupees 2 to each. क्या करना है आपको? rupees 2 to each we have to give. Or you can even start with the rupees 11. So we will see for the rupees 2 also, and we will see for rupees 11 also. So let's start with the rupees 2. So 5 2s are 10. Okay. How many children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. So 5 2s are 10. So 5 2s are 10. Okay, what left? 60 rupees left. Again, how much we have to give? Every time you have to give 2 rupees. So again 5 2s are 10. What left? Rupees 50. Again 5 2s are 10. What left? 40. Right? Again 5 2s are 10. What left? 30 rupees. So this one I will write here. 30 rupees. Okay. Again 5 2s are 10. What left? 20 rupees. Plus again 5 2s are 10. What left? 10 rupees. Again 5 2s are 10. Now we have 0. So how many times we have distributed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times we have distributed rupees 2. So that is rupees 14. So each child will get rupees 14. Here what will we write? Okay. And by starting, the question is here, by starting with rupees 2, we have to distribute how many times? 14 times we have to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times we have to distribute 2 rupees to each child. Okay, so let's write the answer. The answer is by starting. So see, I have written here, by starting giving rupees 2 to each child, so each child will get rupees 14. Okay, this is about our method. Why our method? Because they have given the hint that you have to give 2 rupees to each child. So we have distributed in that way. Now let's see for the 11 rupees. Then by giving rupees 11 to each. So 11 5s are 55. 15 rupees left. Then 5 plus 3. So 5 3s are 15. So 15 plus 3 is equal to rupees 14. So each child will get 14 rupees. As first of all they will get 11 rupees, and then after 11 rupees, how many left? 15 rupees left. So each child will get 3 rupees. So 11 plus 3, that is 14 rupees. Now downside of that, the question is given again, if we distribute rupees 15 to each time, then 15 multiplied by 5, that is 75 rupees, right? So but 75 is more than 70 because we have rupees 70 and it is 75. So to distribute 15 rupees to each child is not possible. Okay, what Ghibli said? Ghibli said, can you start with rupees 15 to each time? No, we can't start with rupees 15 because when we distribute 15, 15, 15, 15, 15 rupees. So the total of this is 75. But we have only 70 rupees. So this is not possible. So this is about 129 page number of your textbook. Now downside, try doing this. This one is homework for you. You have to do by your own. Now we will meet in our next session with page number 130. Till that, goodbye and have a nice day. Thank you.